guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jaritza, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a fall makeup look. So before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, so let's just get started. So the first thing that I like to start with is with my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with my RealHer Define brow pencil. I like to brush my eyebrows. Here, and I like to do it really light just because if I go in really dark, then my eyebrows are gonna look weird. So just really light. Use my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and it's a super coverage. You can use it as conceal, for contouring, for highlight, and for retouch. And it is the golden beige. Usually just put like little dots on the bottom and on the top. Yeah, I usually like using something really light, but this one's a little bit dark, like a little bit orange. With my Wonder Beauty, and this is a clear brow gel. So I like using this to my eyebrows, that way my eyebrows can stay, because my eyebrows are really curly. So you can brush them whichever way that you want, and it will definitely stay like that for a while. So I'm gonna go in with my Pores No More Luminizer primer from Dr. Brandt. Some here. I like putting it all over my face. The foundation that I like to use is the It Cosmetics Full Coverage Cream, shade Light. And it has the anti-aging hydrating serum and the SPF 50+. My favorite concealer. My favorite foundation that I've been using for a long time. So let's see. And it's for coverage. For those of you that haven't tried this foundation, I will definitely look into it. I love It Cosmetics. I never have a problem with them, and my skin is really dry though, so this is why I decided to use It Cosmetics. And I like the way like my skin looks with this foundation, and it's for coverage, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna put some of that everywhere. And I'm actually gonna start with my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this one for today's video. So I'm not a makeup artist or anything. I'm just gonna play around with these colors. I think I'm gonna go in with the Sunset Rose, which is this one right here. So just gonna put a little bit. Just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna try to do something different. Just gonna try to play around. Same thing on the other side. Now this side looks a little bit crazy, so I'm just gonna use my blending brush, and this is the Lab 2 Just Blending In brush. And this is one of my favorite brushes that I like to use to blend the makeup better. You just go like this. I'm thinking of going in with the color Shade right over here. And I'm just gonna tap it. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Where I put the light one, I'm gonna put the dark one over it. I know, I'm looking crazy, but I'll promise it's gonna look better after when I'm done. So, okay, so I blended those two colors. I'm gonna go in with the Sunset Rose again because I want it to look a little bit more orange, and I'm just gonna go over it again on top. With my concealer again with the Born This Way concealer brush, and I'm gonna just put a little bit on here. I'm gonna put the concealer on my eyelid. This brush is too big, but let me see if I can do it. I'm just gonna put it like halfway. I'm gonna use the Lavish eye shading brush. And I'm gonna go in with this one with Aruba. So it's kind of like a glitter one. So I'm gonna go in with that one, or I can also go with this one too, but I think I'm gonna go with that one. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tap it. So I'm gonna go over it, I'm gonna tap it. You can't even see it. Okay, I think I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna go in with that orange again, with the Sunset Rose, and put it on top. Like what I wanted to do is, okay, I just put a little bit only, and now I'm gonna go in with the Aruba, with the glitter one that I said in the beginning. I'm gonna go in with that one, but I'm gonna tap it. That way it kind of like stands out, and that way it stays with the concealer. So I'm gonna tap it like that. I think you can see it better now. So I'm gonna tap it. I'm gonna put a lot more. Alright, so I don't think it looks too bad. I'm going in with Nocturnal, this color right here, but I'm only gonna put just a tiny bit. Like this. I'm just gonna move it like just gonna move it a little bit to the top, little by little. And same thing over here. And then just blend it. I hope it don't look too crazy. Alright, so I finished with my eye look. Looks a little bit crazy. Sorry, I kinda messed up. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some eyeliner. Eyeko London liquid eyeliner in black. And I'm only gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put some eyelashes. I'm gonna put the Ioni 3D Faux Mink Lashes, and they're 100% handmade. And if you're wondering where I got this, I actually got this from Amazon. So I'm gonna put this on and I'll be right back. I hope they look okay. So I'm gonna use my flat angle LR331 Laruce brush to contour my face. And then I'm gonna be using the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit. I'm gonna go in with the contour one. Just gonna use a little bit. Oh, it goes. Just gonna do a line like this. And then I'm gonna put some over here. Not gonna put too much. And over here. Here. I think it looks okay. Hopefully it didn't go away. I'm gonna go in with this one. I think that is to set my face. So just gonna put a little bit down here. You can't really see it much, but I'm just gonna put a little bit. I should have done this in the beginning, but of course I forgot. And I'm gonna put some down here. So I'm just gonna put some of this highlight. I'm gonna put it on my cheekbone, like right here. Just gonna tap it, put a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see it. Can't really see much. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. And I know it was crazy because I use it a lot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm just gonna put some on my nose first. I know, look at this highlight. I like putting some right here. And I also like putting some on my cheekbone. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. You guys can see that? I'll probably put way too much. And here, and I like putting some here, and I like putting some here. I didn't forget anything, but the last thing is my lips. So I'm thinking of either putting the Dose of Colors or the Manna. I think this one's a little bit orange, and this is the shade Lip Whip Dream. Let's see. Perfect color, I think. Do is set my face, so I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photos Finish Setting Spray, and this is so your makeup can last. So let's see. Alright, just let that sit a little bit. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I tried to do my best on the fall look. I feel like I did okay. I think it came out pretty good. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I upload a video. And before I go, in case you guys are wondering, the necklace, I am a brand ambassador of this jewelry company called VONACHI. They have cute jewelry. This is one of the cute necklaces I picked. Also picked these 3 bracelets, so I'm gonna put them on. And they're really cute, so I would just check them out. And they also came with these cute little earrings, and I'm loving the necklace and the bracelets. So in case you guys are interested, if you use my code VONJARITZA, I will be putting it around here. You can get 60% off on your first purchase. So take advantage and go on the website. Try to take advantage of the discount code. And yeah, you get 60% off, so I will look into it. If you are gonna use my code, or if there's any issues or anything, just please let me know. Well, that is it, guys. So I will see you on my next one, and thank you for watching.